Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to securely clear the media cache in Wondershare Filmora app on your Mac. If your Mac is running low on storage or Wondershare Filmora feels like it's doing editing, clearing the media cache can make a noticeable difference. Over time, Filmora stores temporary files like previews, proxies, and render data to improve performance. But these files can quickly pile up. That's why you should clean them up from time to time. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Wondershare Filmora app on your Mac, and then you have to hit the menu button located at the top right. After that, you have to choose the Preferences option in the menu. Then you have to choose the Media Cache tab located at the top. And then you have to choose the relevant options that you want to get rid of. It's worth pointing out that proxy files are low resolution versions of your videos that make playback smoother. Clearing them up frees up space without affecting your original clips. AI tools files are generated when you use features like auto enhancement or background removal, and they can be safely deleted if no longer needed. Preview render files are created to help you smoothly preview effects and edits on the timeline, and removing them helps recover storage once you are done editing. And temporary files include autosaves and other short-term data that build up over time. And you can even set Filmora to automatically delete older files after a specific number of days. And install effects refer to any downloaded filters or plugins which you can manage or remove if unused. Keep in mind that the clear button deletes selected cache files instantly, but nothing is finalized until you hit the apply button, which confirms and completes the cleanup process. And that's pretty much it. Clearing the cache does not delete your original video files or projects. It only removes temporary and support files, making it completely safe. Therefore, you shouldn't bother about losing any important data at all. Clearing the media cache in Wondershare Filmora is a pretty simple yet effective way to enhance performance and reclaim valuable storage on your macOS device. Since these are only temporary files, removing them won't affect your original projects or media. Make it a habit to clean your cache regularly to ensure Filmora continues to run efficiently without unnecessary clutter. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it to ensure that Filmora is able to deliver the best for you on your macOS device. And I'll catch you up in the next one.